Welcome to the series of videos in which we will be making this roller conveyor in Solidworks. And in our first video, we will be making this part. So let's start. Select part and click OK. For your convenience, the image of this part is shown at the bottom right corner. Drop down this arrow and select 3D sketch. Select line and make a line like this. Again select the line and make a vertical line. Similarly, again select a line and make a vertical line here. Now select smart dimensions and make this dimension as 2500 mm, this dimension as 950 mm, and similarly this dimension as 950 mm. As we know that the 3D sketch has three axes X, Y and Z, so we will make it align along Z axis. Now exit the sketch and go to weldments. Select the structural member and select these options as parameters. For type, select this and select this one. Now in group window, select this window and select this line. Scroll down. Now here check this option, mirror profile. In order to flip this channel, make degree as 180. Now select this locate profile option. Click here. OK. Now click on new group and select this vertical line. OK, now scroll down. Select this locate profile and make degree as 180 degree. Select on new group again. Select this line. (180°). Now this is perfect. Click OK. Now we need to mirror this structure. For this we need a plane. So in reference geometry, select plane. For first reference, select this channel and make this distance as 300 millimeter. OK. Now our plane is created and we are ready for the mirror. For mirror, select this plane and we need bodies to mirror, not this feature to mirror. OK. So select this bodies to mirror. Select these three channels one by one. Click OK. The mirror is completed. Now select this channel and click on sketch. Make a center line, and after making a center line, make a circle. Now specify the diameter as 30 millimeter. Now go to smart dimension again, select the center of the circle and select this corner. Make it as 100 millimeter. Now go to features and select extruded cut command. Select through all. Let me show you. It will cut the other channel as well. Click OK. The hole is created. And now select this linear pattern. For direction, select this line of the channel and specify here 24, and the distance is 100 millimeter. Click OK. 24 holes have been created in this channel. Now save this file We will be using this structure in our upcoming videos. In our next video, we will further develop this structure, so stay tuned.